save this. What's up? Hold on. I'm about to trade right now. Let me just save this game. I'm doing a BTC. Doing Bitcoin because Zhao closed. Yeah, I'm doing BTC right now. I'm actually about to chart it. What's up, G? Triple H. Yeah, I'm finally recovering from my sickness. Alright, so I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna look at the daily. The daily, we are uptrend. Weekly, going up. So, alright, for me, if I'm looking at this weekly, what's up, DGF? Good morning, good morning. So, the weekly, I'm seeing this this point of interest right here, all right, and it's also, if we draw our fib, that's also around the 61.8 fib retracement. Oops. So we have that, and then we go to daily and we see there's like a resistance building up right here. Yeah, I'm on live on YouTube. If you want to see my charts, I'm on YouTube. All right, now, so this daily and weekly is the same PRZ level. All right, this is also, it's acting as a support and resistance at the same time. That's why it's a PRZ level. So Marin, now if we go to the 4-hour time frame, look where that PRZ level is at. Boom. Right here, it's acting as a support. Right here is acting as a resistance. So right now, that's our point of interest. So this is a good PRZ level right here. What up, Blade? Yeah, we're gonna make some money today. Appreciate ya, Marie. Thank you, Marie. So now you guys are getting free game over here. I'm charting this. This is a free game the way I chart. All right. So this is the first thing I look at. All right. So I know that's a good target, and we're in a uptrend on a 4-hour time frame. All right. Because if we draw a trend line from here to here, well, not yet. It's not steep enough. Thank you for that, Mari. So what I can do here in the 4-hour time frame, I can do, see this right here. I will plot my PRZ level right here because it's acting as resistance right here, right here, right here, right here. Shout out Team Manix. Man, you guys are always late. Always popping up on my live. Appreciate you. So this is a good level, all right? So now we have this range. From here to here is a range, all right? And how many pips is that? From 81, 203 to 89. That's a big range. All right, that's a big range. Like 70? No. I still can't read how many pips this is. All right. But anyways, we got a range right here, all right? So what we can do, go back to a lower time frame, see if we have an entry. All right. So now on these hour time frame, hold on, let me see. Actually, let's go to 4-hour first and see if we have other PRZ levels. So this right here is a good PRZ level. All right, because it's acting as a resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance. All right, and it's acting as a support right here, right here, right here. So that's a good, yeah, I'm on YouTube if you want to see my charts. All right, so a good PRZ acts as a support and resistance at the same time. All right, so the 5 viewers on YouTube, you guys are getting free game. Charting phone with Kuya. All right, so now Let's see if we can find another PRZ level. This is also a good PRZ level right here, because it's acting as a support, 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 resistance, resistance, support, support. All right. That's. Hey, do you want lady boys? No, I don't want lady boys. I want ladies only. All right. Now what we can do here is look for supply and demands. All right. Now, in the 4-hour time frame, there's a demand zone right here. All right, from here to here is a demand zone. All right, so it's still within. No, it's below. It's out of our range. All right, it's out of our range. That's just like a check. All right, now from here, let's see. This right here is a supply zone, but it's already been tapped by this right here. It tapped right here, so this is not valid anymore. And then it tapped right here. That's the second tap. So the more the price taps our zone, the weaker it gets. That's why right here, if it taps right here, there's a high chance that it'll break out. All right, so that's where our target's at, all right? Because it revisited it 1, 2, twice, and there's gonna be a third time of the revisit of our zone. All right, so we will keep this just for and also there's also a PRZ level in that area. All right. Now, we good on the 4-hour time frame? Yeah, we're good. I'm done trading. It's a scam. Is it because you keep losing? It's a scam if you don't know what you're doing. If you have a solid foundation and a solid strategy, you know, I've had that times, and you know, there's some days that I lose. I keep losing, but I win more than I lose. That's because I sticks to my strategy. You know, if you have a solid strategy, man, if you know what you're doing, if you keep your emotions in check. All right, so anyways, now we're going back to the 1-hour time frame. All right, and let's see. So this right here, it's been ranging since Saturday, April 12th. April 12th. It's been ranging right here. All right, so we need a breakout of this range. All right, if this breaks out right here, and there's also a PRZ level right here, so we want this. We want what we can get is a confirmation on a 5-minute time frame. Once it breaks above this PRZ level and this range, then we'll see it tap this area right here. You marked on the 4-hour. Yes, everything's been on the 4-hour so far. What up, Lat? Trading is not a scam, and we belong to the 5%. Hey, if you know, you know. If you belong in the 5%, man, you know, you know. All right. All right. So on a 1-hour time frame, let's see if we have a trend line. It's not valid anymore. So this trend is not valid. It's just fucking. It's been ranging, man. Look at this. April 12th, since Saturday, it's just been ranging. It hasn't moved. All right, but we're waiting for this breakout. We're trying to catch this breakout. What are you trading now, G? BTC, USDT. All right, so I'm gonna set an alarm right here. Setting an alarm at 85,300. 85,300. If we get a candle confirmation, I will go long because this is a breakout. Uh, right here, it tried breaking out right here on 17th, Thursday, April 17th. Got rejected on that PRZ level, and it tried going on again right here on Friday 18th. Friday, April 18th. It tried breaking out. It didn't. It got rejected, but it didn't reject as much. Because like this one, it rejected all the way down here. But on this time, it didn't reject as much. So now we know there's a strong support. Now we know there's a strong support. So at next time, this, like I said, same thing on the zones. The more the price revisits it or tests that price, the weaker it gets. Isn't today bank not on crypto, not on BTC USDT. All right, so that's why we're waiting to hit this area. I was wondering why my gold ain't moving. Yeah, your gold's not gonna move. All right, so that's why we put an alarm on 85,300. 85,300. Nakita kita ulit. Hi po. Hello. Hi, makahiya. Saan mo ako nakita? So anyways, that's the only move so far. Thank you for the gift of bread. That's the only moves we got so far. Unless, or actually, yeah, that's the only move so far. That's what I'm seeing. It's a breakout of this. We're trying to catch that breakout of this zone. And the next target will be this area right here. 88,500. Yeah. Anytime, every time it broke above this, it tapped that area. Look at this. It broke above, tapped this area. It broke above, tapped this area. It broke above, halfway. Like ko yung tattoo mo. Thank you. Solid setup. Let's go. Are you seeing it on my YouTube channel? If you see my setup, I'm hearing it. 11. Yeah, on YouTube you can see my chart. Pwede ba it? Huh? Pwede ba it MG? What do you mean? Can you look at XRP USD? Wait, pwede ba mag-wrap ka ulit? trading muna tayo ngayon. Trading. Can you look up XRP USD? Alright, since we got an alarm here, so I can look at other charts. But hold on, let me finish. Let me just make sure. Yeah, so 30-minute, we have a previous bullish candle, 30-minute. It's not an engulfing one, so it's probably gonna keep ranging because there's not a lot of movement, like since it's a holiday, you know. Just wait for this big movement. There's gonna be a big movement pretty soon. Because when it's ranging like this, it's getting ready for a big move. That stock was the best. XRP. USDT or USD? Oh yeah. Coinbase. Let's do this one. OKX, because I have OKX. Right. 4 hour time frame. It's in the middle of a range as well. So this is the range. I usually don't like entering with between range. I'll only enter if it's like within right here, supply or demand zone, or support and resistance area, or a fib retracement. I need to have at least 2 3 confluences to enter this trade. But what we can see is so this broke the trend line, retest. It might continue going down. Who's this? We'll see. We'll check. We'll check the 1 hour time frame. Oh, it's not giving me anything, man. Iwan muna kita. Oh, sige, sige. Go lang. This is range. It's not giving me anything, man. It can either go either way at this point. But it is at a PRZ level. See this right here? Yeah, XRP's right here. There's a PRZ level right here because this is acting as a resistance. Support, support, support. All right. Support, support. So it's at that point. It can either reject right here. It can reject right here or break out from right here. So if it passes this area, look for 2 consecutive 5-minute bullish candle, and then you get good to enter on a long position. Or it can get rejected right here. 2.0810. Gets rejected right here or breakout right here. At least you know the price does something when it reaches this price. The market. It will do something once it reaches this price right here. Why is this choppy? Why does it look like this? There's like a bunch of gaps. Alright, any more currency pairs? What? Daily has no top wick, if I'm correct, bro. Which one? On BTC? This? Oh, man. This is tough. Daily on what? BTC? Or XRP? This 4-hour LBTC. See, shit, I was behind on the leave BTC. All right, behind on the live. Oh, yeah. No, it does. What's this? Slash na. But nakablock yan. Natawa ako sa ginawa ko. Sinabi ng ex-girlfriend ko na balik siya sa akin ko sa pag-riz. Shout out Tita Aida. I'm back. Welcome back. So this one I think is gonna keep ranging. BTC is gonna go down I think for a little bit. From here I think it can go down. Cause look at this. That's a what is that? A tweezer? A tweezer pattern on a 4H. That's a 4H. Is that a tweezer pattern? Hold on, let's check. Tweezer candlestick pattern. Oh yeah, that's a tweezer. Oh no, it's not. It's not. What the fuck? What kind of pattern is this? You guys know this pattern? This right here. It has same wicks, same candle body. What kind of fucking pattern is that? But shout out yung TGF. Porque sumali lang ako konti. Missed your trade. I'm still trading. On YouTube. You've been dancing for a while. Yeah, I got a concert. Concert just done, so now I'm gonna be more active on live. Shout out to TGF, Jan. All right, but let's look at that. What kind of pattern that is? It looks familiar, man. Candlestick patterns. You guys don't know what kind of pattern this is? I forget. These two. But since this 4-hour candle doesn't have man, I'm thinking of going short on this one. I'm thinking of going short because this has to flip. This 4-hour candle has to flip bearish to make a bottom wick. Dati nila ako member pero sumali ako sa ibang live. I don't remember TGF. Hindi ako familiar sa group na yan. I might be looking for short just for scalping. I'm gonna scalp this. Just right here. I'm scalping this. Let's do this. Yeah, I'm scalping this. I'm looking for this candle flip. And we already making money. Let's go. Team Galaxy. Galaxy. Yeah, alam ko yun. So I'm shorting this quick scalp. We're already up what? $35. I'm shorting BTC USDT. Cuz I want this. Look at that previous 5-minute candle. That bearish engulfing. Alas mo na ako sa live mo. Nah. Okay, good luck. Shout out Cotabato City is operating. What's your entry? My entry? Woo! Let's go. That's the flip. My entry is 84688 on BTC. And if you look at my YouTube channel, we already, oh man, let's go. $102. Let's go. Sell. I'm shorting. Don't short now, man, because you missed the entry. You missed the entry. We need a in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, we need like a bigger body of this bearish candle. since we're scalping this, as soon as we hit TP1 is right here. Okay, now you can re-entry if you want. We'll see. TP1 is 84,640. It's back at entry point. A minute and 15 seconds. And this 4-hour candle still hasn't flipped, so I'm waiting for this flip. And my SL is right there at the top wick of this current candle, 4-hour candle. So we're still good. We're still waiting, looking for that flip. Seven, 8, 9. There you go. Let's go. The flip. Once he does the flip, I'm moving my SL to break even. Once we hit a flip. BTC, yeah. BTC USDT. You can look at my chart on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube as well. Let's go. Shameless plug. Still waiting for that flip. Even an hour candle. 4 hours and 1 hour is similar. Did it just open? It's TP2 and then TP3. All right, so we have TP1, 2, and 3. Ooh, is that movement? Hold on. Live restricted towards the one you see. With that movement. This is a quick scalp, right? So my SL is tight. We're still looking for this to flip. Remember, no, I don't know. It sounds familiar. Apex. What's it gonna do? Is it gonna hit our SL? Or is it gonna flip before then? See you at the top. Alright, I think it's gonna hit our SL pretty soon. But I'm pretty sure this will flip though. That's it. SL hit. Still in it. Still in it. We still have like 15 minutes for this candle to flip in a 1 hour time frame. It's all original when it's coming from the Cleveland Criminals. And here we go. Gotta shut that bucket one down. It's engulfing. It's not moving. It's still alive. We're still in it. It's all original. It's coming from the Cleveland Criminals. So here we go. Gotta shut up, but come on down. Another 18K in one night quiz. Pesos? Is that pesos? Or dollars? Oh, pesos. Alright. Not bad. Congratulations. I need this to flip. Let's look at the 15-minute. It just closed like a minute ago. 15-minute time frame. Oh, look at the way that closed. This 15-minute, man. I don't like how it doesn't have a top wick. On a 15-minute time frame, this is like a double top. Hopefully it keeps going down. I think I'm a yeah, I don't like the way this is closing, man. It doesn't have a top wick. Let's look at the 5. The buyers are strong. The buyers are strong right now. Minutes. Two minutes. What's up, Adit? 2 minutes for this candle to close. Alright, this is gonna flip and create a top wick and hit our SL. Thank you, thank you. 1 minute. Okay, it's rejecting. 1 minute. If this candle closes and it doesn't flip, create that top wick, I'm good. We're still in. What's the restriction? Why I got a restriction? So if I'm uncomfortable, that's being restricted. Uncomfortable drugs. What? Alright, we're still in. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, by the grace of God, we're still in. But this 15-minute candle is worrisome. We're still in the trade. It's a tight SL. A tight SL. And now it's not moving. There you go. Come on. Drop it low. Drop it low. Pop that thing. Woo, let's go. We need to close below this. This next. Alright. Whoo, that was close, man. Well, SL almost got hit. But we're still in. We're still in the fight, coach. Now we're in profit. All right, if this closes below this area right here, this recent support, I'm moving my SL to break even. All right, we're going to close in profit today. All right, chat. TP1's almost hit. 126 bucks. Let's go. TP1 hit. Let me record this. Alright, there's a quick scalp on the BTC. Alright, and our TP1 is almost going to be hit. Because, bro, there's bank holiday today. Yeah. Well, this is BTC, so it's still moving. It's moving slow, but it's moving. Appreciate it, Miglen. As soon as it TP1, we'll moving our SL to break even. We need this 5-minute candle. In 2 minutes, we needed to close below 84,674. Alright, if he closes that, then it's a clean a clean ride all the way to TP1. Good. Have you seen the GBP USD? No, not yet. What's up, Kyle? Well, what's up with it? Hold on, let's check it. Man, see these two candles right here? This 2 5-minute candle doesn't have a top wick, man. I'm pretty worried about that. Even the 15-minute candle doesn't have a top wick. So, all right, let's go TP1. Actually, I'm put up my break even right now. I'm moving my break even. It's a risk-free trade. This is BTC USDT. We're up $119 with a risk-free trade. All right, my break even is at 68 bucks. So, doesn't matter. We gotta protect our profits. It's just a quick scalp, man. It was a risky trade to begin with. We either hit TP1 or break even. Now let's look at what GBP USD. Let's look at it over here. GBP USD. This is all-time high? No, nope. But then that's a bullish. It's at a PRZ level right now. Is this moving? There's a PRZ level right here. So now it's either gonna break up above this or it's gonna reject right here. So there's a sign of exhaustion right here. That's on the daily though. All right, so this is a 4-hour LTF. Oh shit, TP1 just smashed. Let's go, baby. Fucking winning trade right here on live. Let's go. TP1 hit. We're moving our SL right here. I'd love to learn how to trade like you're doing. I got a bit of crypto, 300 XRP. Do you have like the fundamental basics of trading? Because a lot of people, when they start, yeah, the basics are easy to learn. It's the strategy that works for you is hard. So this one, I'm moving it right here. I'm moving my SL right here at the, because it will flip. If it flips, it's gonna keep going up. So I'm trailing my stop loss right now. But we're almost at TP2. Lower time frame or LTF, lower time frame. Like it's ranging like crazy. Yeah, a lot of the cryptos are ranging right now. Look at BTC. This is a range. All right, we're playing the range. We're waiting for a breakout. W chat. If you caught this trade, W. We're almost at TP2. Almost at TP2. But these 3 candles, man, this 5-minute candle does not have a top wick. All 3 of them. Hello. Hi, Peter Pan. Squared. I'm trading BTC USDT. Alright, it's a risk-free trade. We're up $335. Not bad on a weekend. Yeah, I'm on a short position. Alright, it's about to hit my break even or my trailing stop loss. You're in the short. I'm about to be out though. I'm about to be out of this position. Cause it might there's a high chance it's gonna go up. Alright, cause it's having trouble pushing down. There's actually a good support right here. My target TP2 is at 84,592 and full TP is 84,526. Can you please once brief the logic behind that trade? Because from what I see, the price haven't broke the character and the price might just candle patterns, candlestick patterns, and then candlestick patterns on a 4-hour time frame. On this one, I broke it down because I knew this candle was gonna flip. This 4-hour candle was gonna, because earlier it was a bullish with no bottom wick, right? I knew it was gonna flip. I was basing it off of that. The candle flip, which is a scalp. And that's why my SO was tight. Hello, Nurse Angel. What's up? So that was my logic. It was basic candlestick patterns. Because earlier, yeah, they didn't have a bottom wick. Thank you for the like, Nurse Angel. Nurse, I'm sick. What would you prescribe me? I have coughing, phlegm. My fever went down. I need a nurse. Are you an actual nurse? Anyway, since I moved my SL to break even. Oh, is it gonna hit? Yeah, it just hit. How come it's not activating? It's not activating my break even. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that 5-minute closing, man. It closed it right there. There's like no body. It's just wick. And it opened up and it opened up and shot down. All right, so I can close right now if I want to, because this is a risky trade. And then it might. Ooh, look at that movement. Are we gonna hit TP2? But I'm moving my trailing stop loss. We're gonna trail this. We're gonna trail this. We're gonna trail this because this one does not have a top wick. So this doesn't have a top wick. This one doesn't have a top wick, and this one doesn't have a top wick. So there's a high chance that it's gonna revisit those areas. Come on, hit TP2. Let's go. We're gonna trail. Ooh, TP2 smash, baby. And it's going. W chat. Can I get a W? We're trailing. We're trailing. That's my logic. We're up. You get a good boy. What? You get a good boy. A good boy. We're trailing our stop, man, because this will flip. Those people that caught that trade, good job catching it. Right there, break even stop. We're up. That was a 383. Oh, 393. 393. 393. That's it. That's it. Look at the 1 hour time frame. So this 1 hour, I can go long if I want to here. I can go for long position right here because that 1 hour candle doesn't have a top wick. So I'll go for that flip. I'll go for that flip. Because if we go over here, if we bust out our fib, $61. I'll wait. I'll go long right here. I'm going long on 84.514. There's a demand zone there. There is a PRZ level there, and there's also a fib retracement there. Let's go. What assets? BTC, USDT. All right, so this one right here will be a long position from here. We'll do this. This will be a bigger trade. Oops. This will be a bigger trade. All right. That's my position. Because in a 1 hour time frame, let's see. Yeah, that's valid. I need this to push down more. I need to push down more. Regards to all. Thank you. We have one more trade for the day. If this doesn't play out, then I'm done. I'm done for the day. Hopefully it keeps pushing down. Yeah, let's go. We want this to keep pushing down. Will it activate? Long time no see. Which one of you is Chinese name? It's moving our direction. Will it activate? It's moving. It's moving. Keep pushing. Five minute. So we keep having these on the 5 minute time frame. We keep having these candles that has no top wick. We keep having these candles with no top wicks. So I wanted to keep pushing down and revisit all those top wicks. That's what we're looking for. And we're targeting this point of interest because we have 3 confluences in that area. The 3 confluences. How can you put the... Can you put a link here? How can you put a link here? I guess not. All right, it's moving. It's almost gonna activate. Thank you, Hazel. It's almost gonna activate. I wanted it to activate before filling all these top wicks. My ninja. We could have held that sell earlier, but that's fine. Appreciate you, my ninja. May tina-target ako, bro. I'm targeting 80 sa BTC, 84.514. Then I'm going for long position. Yes, sir. Waiting. Oh, then waiting away. Let's see. Because look, bro. This 1 hour at 5 o'clock, this candle just opened up, right? It doesn't have a top wick. I want this to push down and hit my point of interest. Once it hits that, now I want this to revisit that no top wick candle. Thank you for the follow, Grace. So once we activate, there's a high chance of price revisiting that no top wick candle. And there's also a PRZ level there, and there's also a retracement, a prime retracement on my fib. So I have three confluences to enter a trade on 84.514. Thank you, Grace. Oh, thank you for the roses. And it's moving. It's moving. Let's go. Let's go. You're welcome, boss. Appreciate ya. How many pips is this? I need to I still don't know how to read pips on BTC. Is this 5? 5 pips? Or 58? Or 50 pips? That's 50 pips. Entrico is 84.514.52. 84.514.52 or 84.514.66. Any one of those. Pero malaki yung SL ko, ah. The ratio is 2.6. 2.6 is the ratio. This is good. This is good. We're pushing. Almost. Almost. We're pushing. I'm gonna go burn one real quick. Hopefully. I'll be back. Come on. It needs to push, keep pushing. Oh shit, let's go. It's almost activated. Almost. Man, pwede ka pumunta sa sa YouTube channel ko, bro. Makita mo yung charts ko. Germs! Bilisan mo. Let's go. Let's activate it. Come on! Are you serious? So close. But we gotta be patient, man. You gotta be patient. We're hoping that it doesn't flip yet. Oh man, it looks like it's gonna flip. We want to catch a good entry, man. But if it flips here, man, it's probably gonna keep going up, man. You gotta be patient, chat. Stick to your strategy. What to do between men. We can talk. You guys got anything to ask me about trading? I'll answer them. Is there any currency pair that you want me to analyze? Shoot. Oh man, come on. We're so close too. I just hope it doesn't. Damn, see, look at that candle right there. It's revisiting all those no top wick candles from the 5-minute time frame. Now that 5-minute candle doesn't have it just closed right now. It's me, Beatrice. Ikaw ba yung nasa kay Kitty? Lagi niya sinasabi, it's me, Beatrice. It's gonna flip, man. No, it's Idol Manix. Siyempre. Napansin din. Naalala ko yung name mo eh. Lagi sinasabi ni Kitty. It's me, Beatrice. Topi, what's up, Topi? Trading BTC at the moment. I think Kitty's still asleep. So this is good. All right, we get a rejection. The one hour candle hasn't flipped yet, so we're still good. Hype na! This song, what's up naman dyan, Idol Manix. We're still good. We're still good. My man. Huh? The same fucking shit I always get. Ano, kailan tayo mag-hype? I'm feeling better now. Ano naman dyan, bro? Baka pwede kaming lumapag dyan. Pwede na mag-perform natin. Oh man, pag nag-perform na kami, bro, iba na yung performance namin. Iba na yung performance namin ngayon. Meron yan. Madami kami lalabas. Sunod-sunod. Waited to salang na. Let's go. No, don't flip. Don't flip yet. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Hey. playing, man. This candle, this 1 hour candle is playing. But on a 1 hour time frame, like it's a downtrend, so we need this to tap our point of interest. Let's go. Just monitoring. Favorite ko yung song yun ni Fresh Breed na Better. Oh, favorite din yun ni Manix eh. Pwede ko ba i-play yan dito? Naka-live kasi ako sa YouTube eh. This 1 hour candle is playing. Kata nyo naman yan. Oh, pero kailangan pa submit yung link, YouTube link para ma-whitelist. Medyo hassle. As long as the 1 hour candle doesn't flip, man, we're good. Bagal ng BTC ngayon. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop yung first release ko sa Dito Music. Yeah, dapat pumunta kayo sa Pumunta ka dun sa sa concert namin. It is the boring part of trading, man. Usually I don't gusto ko makita pero walang time. Pag gusto, ginagawa ng paraan yan. That's the item. Are you trading today? Yeah, I was on short earlier. It hit my trailing stop loss at $390, but now I'm waiting for a long position. Oh. If this 1 hour candle flips, then I'm not going in. I swear this candle, man. This candle's plain. Because my entry, there you go. I want to enter at 84,514.52 on BTC. That 1 hour candle almost flipped, man, but now it's rejecting. Alright, it's still, that valid entry is still a valid entry, that 84,514.52. Alright, so now we got some. Now we got some. Malulupit na mga baby cakes. Alright. Man, saan ka ngayon, man? Back to training ba kayo? Sa ano?
Bawal ka lang lumabas ngayon, guys.
Ha?
Bawal lumabas ngayon.
Sino?
Kaya,
Bakit?
sabay sa Jesus.
Shut up.
Ay!
Sa May pa?
Bahala ka ngayon.
Mayam ko na siguro. Sakto lang. Let's go. I live comfortable. Just enough to have a free life. Enough na hindi ko kailangan magtrabaho. Hindi ko kailangan ibenta yung oras ko sa ibang tao. That's basically what it is. If you have a job, you're basically selling your time to somebody. My time is valuable. I'd rather have it. I'd rather enjoy life. I'd rather spend my remaining time doing the things I want to do. And I can only do that through trading. Let's go. Almost. Nasa ka ngayon, man? Bahay lang. Lapit na. Lapit na yung entry natin. Lalabas pa lang. Here it is, chat. This is it. This is it, Pansit. George, bumalik ka ng honey. Bumalik ka ng honey. Ha? This is it. So close. Come on. Hindi kayo magkakaroon ng event dito around QC. QC? Meron. The 25. The 25th. Come on. Bro. This is it. Our entry. About to get tapped. A little bit more push. Come on. A little bit more push. We hold. Come on. Come on. Ayaw pa ano, activate though. Come on. Thank you for the follow. Blind. Just look at the 5-minute time frame. Or the 15-minute. So the 15-minute is showing signs of exhaustion. I'm still waiting. It's almost in. So we just gotta just a little bit more. Watch. My entry is at 84.514. 84.514.52. It's almost there. We gotta stick to our strategy. We stick to our entry point. All right, so 5-minute just close. Hopefully it wicks our entry point. Hopefully it wicks it. Come on. Need the bottom wick. Just moving slowly. There you go. Flip. This is it. Will it wick our entry? How long we've been on live? Yeah, it's BTC. BTC USDT. Come on. It's gonna take a while for our entry to be hit. We got low volume. Yeah, because of the holidays, it's affecting the crypto market. But we're almost there. It's almost activated. Yeah, BTC USDT. Okay, so that the 5 minute candle just closed. Is that a hammer? The next one opened up. It's creating a top wick, so we need this to create a bottom wick and wick out our entry. Not yet. I'm waiting at 54, 84, 514.52. That's my entry. Which is almost, it's like right there. So this candle needs to wick it, create a bottom wick, and at least wick our entry. Other than that, I'm not gonna enter anywhere else other than this area. No, I'm not in a trade. I'm waiting for a trade. Bank holiday, yeah, for forex. But we're trading BTC, crypto. It's open 24/7. If you're here on TikTok, if you want to see my charts, go to my YouTube. I'm live on YouTube. You see my charts there. Come on. Hit our entry. This is the boring part of trading. That previous 5-minute candle just closed, no bottom wick. It's rejecting. So. Did we miss our trade? We missed our entry. It didn't activate. But the move was there. Go to 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour candle still hasn't flipped. So yeah, it's like 14 minutes for this candle to flip. We missed the entry. It's still playing. 1 minute. We might still have a chance. You play Forex? I don't play. I don't play it. still in. There's still a chance for this to turn around. We have 10 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. And it still hasn't flipped. With the 4 hour time frame. And there's also this wick right here, the previous 4 hour. This previous 4 hour bottom wick. That needs to be filled. It needs to be filled. We're still in here. Damn, look at that movement. We might still be in. We might still be in. 2 minutes. Keep pushing. Let's go. Is this it? Is this our entry? Looks like it. We have 7 minutes for this candle to close. This is it. This is it, Pansit. All that fucking waiting just for this. Come on, Wicked. Because this 5 minute open up and just dropped. No top wick. And now, oh, come on, bro. God, that shit. Come on. Just wicked. At least we know there's a strong support. There's a strong support over here. All right. God damn it, come on. That's some shit, man. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That candle was bullshit. That candle was bullshit. But this is also good because this 1 hour candle is about to close. Alright. It needs to have a bottom wick. God damn it. Let's go. 5 minutes. This 1 hour candle is gonna close. Okay. Okay, no bottom wick. No, I didn't enter yet. Like, it almost hit my entry, but not yet. I'm sticking to my strategy. All right. So no entry yet.
Patay boy. What the?
3 minutes. We're still in. We're still in.
Patay boy. Patay boy. Medium user.
2 minutes. Will this be it? Rocco Festival. Thank you. Thank you for supporting. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Nah, look, my entry is at 84514.52. That's my entry, and you will hear it. You will hear it if I'm in. If I'm in. I gotta buy a limit set up. Yeah, no problem. We got 1 minute. 1 minute for this 1 hour candle to close and make a bottom wick to wick our entry.
Baka boy.
30 seconds.
What the?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, good closing. So this 1 hour candle just closed without a top wick. All right. Look at the other times. The other times, like for example, this 1 hour candle right here.
Oh, sige.
It didn't have a top wick, right? Went down and then revisited it right here with this. It wicked it out right here. So that's what we're waiting for. That's what we're looking for over here. This no top wick. All right. It needs to wick our entry, and then sometime like in the next hour or two, it will revisit that top wick. All right. We can look at another example of no top wick, like this one right here.
Ayos ka.
that the same one? Oh, a different one. Alright, so this one right here. Alright. So this one closed, no top wick. Went down. Down, down, down. Down.
Ay, gagi na.
And then it wicked it. Over here, this is a crazy wick. This one right here, closed, no top wick. Revisit it with this wick right here. So if you look at all the no wick candles, it'll always visit it. It will always revisit it. Like this one, no top wick. All right, no top wick, went down all the way down here and revisited right here, even went past it. So that's one of our confirmation. Now, it didn't activate. Come on, man. I'm still gonna wait. I'm still gonna wait for my entry. I'm not gonna enter prematurely. Let's go wicked.
Uy, ba? Ka? Makain pa ako eh.
Where's your buy limit at? 84,514.52. It's almost gonna hit it. What up, man? Let's go. It's almost.
What the? Dito ka na lang. Sabi ka sa akin.
Let's go. This is it. This is it. What we've been waiting for. Alright, activated. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in, chat.
Dito ako sa biglaan. Ah.
I'm in. Same here. Good luck. This is a 2.6 ratio. TP.
Ano?
TP1 is 84650.76.
Saan ka? Anong laro ka? Kaya ko lang na kaya.
TP1. TP1 is 84650.76. Let's go, baby. Come on. We're in profits. But my full TP is 85301.93. We're in profits. If you know, you know. It's too early to celebrate, though.
Hindi pa ako rin tapos sa'yo, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Who's dead? Who's dead? Who's dead? Who's dead? Keep that same energy. Yeah.
Ooh, come on.
Yes, sir. Ay, gagi pati ako. Okay. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Saan ka? Saan ka? The streets ain't for you. Where you at?
Draw.
Ay, yun na. Yun ata.
Comment settings. Let's go, G. Now, see, look at that. The 5 minute. The 5 minute time frame will just close as a bullish candle. So it's a good sign of rejection. We're at the prime area of rejection, which is this is a PRZ area and also a 61.8 fib retracement. There's also say less, man. If you got that trade, woo, let's go. There's the rejection. Right? Hey, you owe me some. You owe me some, Halil. You got in that trade because that's a free signal.
Yep.
You owe me some. Anyways, that's just a piece of the pie on what I offer on my course, the course that I sell. So Golden Stacks Academy, if you're interested in that, and you get the full course, you can enter like how I enter. You can read the chart like how I read my charts. One of my students, it took him 3 weeks from the moment he bought my course. It took him 3 weeks to pass his funded account challenge. Oh shit! I actually changed. I need to change the price. I gotta change the price on my course. anyways, I'm gonna hold this trade. I'm gonna move my SL to break even once I hit my TP1. Good luck. I'm done. W. That's 2 W trades in this live. That's 2 W trades. It's holiday. Price won't be much movement. Well, this is crypto. Alright. This is crypto. Yeah, it still affects like a dollar, but it's crypto. It has its own fucking shit. So anyways, like I was saying, once it hits my TP1, I'll move my shit to break even. W trades, have a good one. Peace out, y'all. Good luck in the charts. Alright. That movement right there, that's still good movement. From here to here. From here to here. How many pips is that? That's still good movement. But anyways, peace out, y'all. Good luck.